Hi everybody, and welcome to the Rolla Public Library for story time. I'm Miss Tara, and we have story time every Tuesday and Thursday. You can watch it either on our website, Facebook, or YouTube. And here at story time, we're all friends. So let's sing our hello song. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, it's time to say hello. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, it's time to say hello. And I waved hello like this and almost forgot we're doing sign language, aren't we? Hello, friends, time, and say hello. All right. Well, today I hope you've had a chance to make your craft from your grab-and-go craft bag that you can pick up curbside here at the library. It's a dinosaur hat. So if you want to, you can pause the video and go get your dinosaur hat to wear during our story. Okay. What are the clues for today's story? Oh look, it's a tambourine that can also be played like a drum. Hey, you know, last story time we talked about quiet, normal, and loud sounds, didn't we? Maybe there'll be a drum in our story. Oh, hey. What is this? Yeah, it's a dinosaur. So we gotta look for a dinosaur in our story. Ooh, this is a dinosaur pop-up book. There is a little dinosaur came out of the egg. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So, what? Oh, hey, here's a book that you can check out at the library called Drum City. So yes, there's definitely going to be drums in this story. Ah yes, today's story is called Natsumi. And do you see that exclamation point on the book? Whenever you read something and it has an exclamation point, that means it's meant to be exciting or loud. Natsumi! And it's by Susan Lendroth. And you can see this book has won a Show Me Reader Award. All right. That must be Natsumi. She's turning a cartwheel. All right, we've got kids lined up in the rain. And look at that. Natsumi has an umbrella that looks like a dinosaur. So it kind of looks like she's wearing a dinosaur hat. For a small girl, Natsumi did everything in a big way. She jumped high, played hard, and slurped noodles like a sumo wrestler. But, Natsumi, not so fast, scolded grandmother when they went to the park. Not so hard, Natsumi, warned father when she practiced her ninja moves. Not so loud, Natsumi, called mother every time her daughter shut a door. Slam! Only grandfather smiled and said nothing. There she is, slurping noodles with her toy dinosaur, which is also slurping noodles. Each year, Natsumi's village held a festival of traditional Japanese arts, and her family spent weeks practicing for it. Natsumi wanted to try everything. First, she gathered flowers with grandmother, who carefully selected each bloom. Natsumi picked everything. "Let's shake out any bugs," said grandmother. Tap, tap, tap. She gently rapped the stems against her cupped palm, like this. Slap, slap, slap. Natsumi whipped her bouquet into a cloud of pollen, leaves, and ants. "Not so fast, Natsumi!" "Achoo!" sneezed grandmother. In the afternoon, father asked, "Would you like to help me with the tea ceremony?" "Yes!" Natsumi cried, plopping down beside him. Father measured powdered tea into a bowl, poured hot water, and carefully whisked the mixture into froth the color of spring grass. Then he added tea and water to the second bowl and handed Natsumi the whisk. She stirred, she beat, she whirled her tea into a cyclone. "Look, it's getting everywhere." Father wiped green flecks from his glasses. "Not so hard, Natsumi," he said. Later, Natsumi joined mother at dance rehearsal. Girls and women dipped and turned, flicking fans open and shut like butterflies. Natsumi flicked her fan open, then shut. Open, whoosh, shut, click. The harder she flicked, the louder it stepped. Whoosh, click, whoosh, click. She was a samurai leading troops to battle with her mighty war fan. Natsumi flung her arms wide. Yeah! The fan launched like a rocket. The fan twirled across the room and bounced off Mrs. Tanaka's knee. "Sorry," called Natsumi. "Not so loud, Natsumi," whispered mother. Oh, she whispered, so I guess that would be more like, "Not so loud, Natsumi. Shh." That evening, grandfather found her slumped outside. "Do you think she looks happy or sad?" "Come walk with me, Natsumi-chan," said grandfather. Can you see the little kitty cat on the page walking with them? Is the kitty cat up here? Oh, the kitty cat's down here. "No matter what I do, something always goes wrong," said Natsumi. "I'm sure you'll find the right fit if you keep looking and listening," replied grandfather. They strolled toward the village hall. Natsumi heard a sound like muffled thunder. Boom, boom, boom. The very air seemed to quiver. "Come on, grandfather," Natsumi urged. For the next 2 weeks, grandfather met Natsumi after school every day and brought her home late each afternoon. When mother asked where they had been, Natsumi replied, "It's a surprise." I wonder what those sounds have to do with what Natsumi is doing after school. Let's see, they went boom, 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 right? And one of our clues was drums. On festival day, grandmother's flowers brightened the stage. Father served tea to the mayor and mother danced. When the rest of the family sat down for the closing ceremony, grandfather and Natsumi disappeared into the crowd. "Thank you for joining our celebration," said the mayor. "Now we have one final performance, the beginning of a new tradition for our village, our own Taiku drummers." drum beat shook the eaves. Boom! Grandmother felt her sandals vibrate. Boom, ba boom, boom, ba boom, boom. Oh, let's do that together. Boom, ba boom, boom, ba boom, boom. Look! Father pointed at the smallest drummer on the stage. Natsumi! There she is. Boom, ba boom, boom, ba boom, boom, ba boom. With each beat, Natsumi's sticks flew faster. With each boom, she pounded harder. And one day, Natsumi hoped to be the loudest drummer of them all. And she looks very happy now. She finally found something she could do that took lots of energy and she could be loud. The end. All right. Well, thank you for coming to Storytime, and you can watch Storytime videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Bye!